Halloween, I don't always have the time to put together a costume. Some people make them from scratch, but I don't have the energy to do that. So I just took a trip to my local Value Village and gathered clothes and treasures from a variety of departments and made adjustments as needed. Whether it's by cutting sleeves off or dyeing something a different color, like that's more my speed when it comes to DIY costumes. I'm making 2 Halloween costumes, a 50s hot rod character and a dancing queen. Both are really easy to make. I hope this video inspires you to think of unique ways that you can pull together costumes of iconic characters without breaking the bank. I'm starting with this 50s inspired character. I really love this one because it's gender neutral, anyone can wear it, and you can pull it together really last minute, like on your way home from work last minute. Here's what you'll need. A leather jacket. Pleather is totally fine. I tried to find one that was a little big on me. A white t-shirt. You're gonna need a pair of jeans. And you're gonna need shoes for this. It's kind of up to your own discretion what you wanna go with. I decided to do some kind of men's dress shoes, but you could totally do like Chuck Taylors or something like that. I decided to add this scarf to the look because it just added just a touch of femininity, and it took it from being kind of an out-of-the-box outfit to a very personalized kind of look. This is also a really comfy costume, and comfort is key. If you're crafty and you have a little time to put your costume together, a dancing queen costume is so much fun, especially if you're going to be dancing all night. So for this look, I grabbed 3 pairs of jeans, the pair I was going to actually wear, and then 2 other pairs to cut up into long strips, ruffle together on the sewing machine. Sewing ruffles on jeans is not hard, but it is a little time consuming, so it takes about an hour to do this. And of course you want to go for something sparkly, so I found this gold shirt and this sparkly blue shirt and cut them up and put them together to give kind of a blocking print to the top. When I found this butterfly necklace in the jewelry department, I was over the moon. It was so perfect. It was just meant to be. You're gonna wanna grab a toy microphone from the kids department. Shoes are kinda up to you, but I love a boot with a really chunky heel and a little bit of sparkle and snazz. It's very 70s and just so perfect. The best part about chunky heels is they're comfortable to dance in. Maybe that's why they wore them. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Please leave us a comment and let us know if you're going to give one of these looks a try, or if you're planning to raid Value Village and put together some other kind of vintage inspired look this Halloween. See you later!